Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add read more on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, make sure you are logged into your Tumblr account. Click on post and add your content to the post. Now here, look for an option in your post editor that says more or read more. So here we got some option. Let's see if we got the read more option. Okay, here you go. Place your cursor where you want the read more link to appear. Now click on this option and Tumblr will insert a break in your post, creating a read more link. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.